Beep, beep. Oh, these guys sure cuss a lot.
We're not exactly a family-friendly group.
We're gonna have to open the video with, if you're under the age of 18.
This production is rated R.
You will hear language that you didn't know existed. For a mature audience only. What the fuck is up, guys? Welcome back.
What are we doing today, bud?
Hanging out in a blizzard, getting the decoys spread up. We got drove by, saw about 5, 6, and maybe pushing 700 birds on the water still. So trying to get set up before they all start flying. It's supposed to snow most of the day, but I'm thinking hopefully when it stops here it gets dirty. But trying to get set up in a fashionably time and get everything blended in, and hopefully right at that time they start flying pretty good. So fucking ducks. I wonder if we'll come into a goose call.
I'm a bug.
Turn back, dude. Shoot him. How many?
2.
I got one down there. There's 2.
Hey, hold on, these.
Yeah, boy. Badass.
One's back there. Hey,
Now,
let me see them, boys.
Time to do it now.
Let me see what you got, buddy.
Another one down, or
Let me
2.
see what you got,
2
son.
out of that group. They're still all around us.
Getting them, baby.
Yep.
Shoot them.
Too much. How many did we get right there? 4 out of 5? Yeah.
Oh, update, we got 4 out of that group. 5 of them came in, did it awesome. This snow's got them acting funny, man. Doing it pretty good so far, so still got a lot of time left. And we were really expecting them to start flying a little better as soon as the snow quit, but they're doing it awfully good right now, so we'll take it. Fuck, they're flaring. Shoot them. I didn't even reload my fucking gun. Turn around, shoot them. Damn, I cooked.
What do you think of that, Saul?
That's how we do it, boy. 1 for
Would have been 10.
2, 1 out of 2.
Last one.
Pretty good for us.
What's up, guys? We are back at the house. It's actually a couple days later, but a little recap on our hunt. We finished with 10 geese, so wasn't too bad. We were expecting the evening to be a little bit better, but it wasn't. I guess that's just the way it goes sometimes. But we are back at the kitchen, and we are going to do a little catch, clean, cook episode to this on goose pastrami. I think you guys are going to really enjoy this. I really enjoy it. I think geese gets a really bad rap, so hopefully maybe this changes a couple people's perspective on it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got all our goose cut up, cleaned up, get all the bloodshot areas cut out, some of that bigger chunks of fat cut off. We got our little brine cure mix. I just used some of this, like a quarter cup of this jerky cure that I got. It came in a bag. Probably way too much. I don't really know. I didn't have half the ingredients for some of this stuff, so it's gonna be really interesting how this turns out. But so I got some of that, and I got a quarter cup of pepper, quarter cup of brown sugar, and then threw in some garlic. I didn't measure that. Some of this. I'll put everything in the description if it's good. If it's not good, you probably won't see this video. But we're hoping it's going to be good, and we'll see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pat these dry, put them in this cure, and put it in a bag, and we're going to put it in the fridge for a couple days. Alright. Damn. That's a mess. Everything is coated. It is going to go in the bag and into the fridge for 3 days or so. I am really excited to see how this turns out with just that jerky cure. There's one bag. Another one. So typically what you'd want to use is like the Morton meat tenderizer, but I didn't have any. So we're not using it. We're going to just use regular jerky cure, and we are going to find out how it turns out. Sure, it'll be fine. But there's that. I'm going to have to get this kitchen cleaned up before the old lady gets home. So there it is. Got it all taken care of. We'll go ahead and put those in the fridge. Well, that is it for now, guys. I will see you guys in 3 days. Alright guys, we are back. It's 3 days later. We've had these geese soaking in cold water, rinsed all the cure off of them, soaking in this bag. Cool thing we found out is smoker's not working, so we're gonna try a little bit different of a method here. We're gonna try them on the grill. Got 2 burners turned off, 2 of them on the lowest setting. I don't know how it's gonna work, but if it works out great for people that don't have a smoker, this is gonna be the thing for you. So, like I said, we got all the geese cleaned up, got the cure off of them, so we're gonna take them out of the bag, pat them dry, put this rub I made up, pepper, garlic, I don't even know what else I got in here. Thyme leaves and ground paprika. I think it was 4 tablespoons of black pepper, a tablespoon of garlic, and then a teaspoon of these 2. So evenly distribute these goose breasts and we'll throw them on the grill, and I guess we'll all see how it turns out.
Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, so then you can just... Alright, we got all our geese breasts evenly distributed, ready to throw on the grill. Let's take them all out.
Nice.
Alright, we got them all on the indirect heat side. Hopefully low and slow, it takes a little while, but we'll check on them here in about 30 minutes just to double check, make sure we're not cooking too fast, but hell, we'll see. Alright guys, taste test. Holy shit. That's ridiculous. You can't have none. Guys, that's phenomenal. Holy cow. I can't get over that. That is goose pastrami on the grill. If you guys don't have a smoker and you got a grill, go out, kill some geese. 2 burners off, 2 burners on low. Get that grill temperature up to about 200-250 degrees is where I had it at. Throw them on the indirect heat side and just wait till they hit 150. Flip them a couple times. I've had this off the smoker. This is my first time having it off a grill, and I can't get over how good that is. That's ridiculous. I don't even know what to say. I mean, for being on a freaking grill, we didn't have half the ingredients or half the crap that we freaking needed. I should have thought all of that before we made this video, but I didn't. And the way this turned out, yeah, I'm blown away. That is phenomenal. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole video. We got a lot more content coming. Stick with us as we kind of learn all this editing stuff and get a little bit better at filming. And I know part of this video's in the action-packed side of it. We didn't clean off the lenses a couple times, and this is all stuff that we're gonna learn, but you guys just stick with us and we'll have some fun. We really enjoy doing it. But I hope you guys like this video, and go make some goose pastrami on the grill. You won't regret it.